So let's go into the Google Classroom interface. So the easiest way to do it, click on the Rubik's Cube in the corner and then find Google Classroom, which will be around here somewhere, and then you can click on that. That will open up the Google Classroom interface. As you can see, it will list all the classrooms that you have access to. Over here on the left hand side, you've got a menu, and this will also list all the classrooms as well. But notice it also has a calendar. For every classroom, it will add to your calendar. You also have a to-do list. You also have archives, classes, and settings. If we click on settings, this will list all the settings available. And if you look at the bottom, you've got your class notifications. This will turn on or off the notifications for each individual classroom. Let's go back to our classes. Let's have a look at this interface here. You've got the to-do list and calendar at the top. These are the classes. You can move these classes around wherever you want them, by dragging and dropping. You can also open all the work due by clicking this button, or you can click on the Google Drive folder by clicking this button. In the corner here there is a plus, and this allows you to either create or join a class. Now, depending on what authorization level you have with Google Classroom, you may not see the Create Class option. That is generally only available to teachers. But joining a class, you'll be asked to put a class code in, and creating a class will be asked to set up a brand new class.